return me to my usual wits, back from that yoke I had the other year, when I went hunting hares with oxen. Now I'm better off, love-wise and worse, since I love well, and for that I call myself lucky. But my name is still not loved, if love and my entreats don't win a stark heart. He who loses all his wealth at once ought to look for a rich lord to restore his loss and harm, since a poor one wouldn't be worth to him a minnow. For this reason I have chosen her, towards whom neither my heart nor my eyes have ever been closed. And I vow, love, if you win her for me, peace forever with all the others. He's worth little, a man without joy, I know it well, I've had mine spoiled, since for an excess of toil, the pain of which won't leave my heart. And if sadness doesn't leave as joy did, soon my relatives shall see me insane. But the one who has changed my heart is such that I would die old loving her. I don't know anyone as devoted to God, hermit nor monk nor cleric, as I am to her, about whom I sing. And this'll be proven ere New Year comes. I am more faithful to her than to a half of myself, and I would be so even if I were king or duke. So pure is my heart towards her that I'll be blind ere I long for another woman. About that of which I've so feared and doubted, I now grow more hopeful and assured, since an adage I have heard once tells me it thunders as long as it rains. Albeit I fail 5 years or 6, how gladly when my hair is hoary I'll enjoy that for which I suffer, since by loving and entreating the scornful heart is sweetened. From long sighing and grievous wailing, the one I exalt myself for can deliver me, since now for a seemly visage's only sake I have stirred a wholly new song. I walk up the slope and don't complain, since this mountain moves me to think gently. Go up, heart, you do well if you suffer. Go on, as long as you don't fail the one you brood. Gold shall be viler than iron before ARNAUT renounces loving the one he's secretly devoted to.